agrees to try something with me. It is going to be a 30-day challenge to better help you bond with your child or your baby, as well as learn with them and kind of help you learn yourself on what your kid likes, what they don't like, teaching them fundamental values, things of that sort. Without further ado, day uno. 1. We are going to figure this out together. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You ready to learn?
Yeah.
Okay. He's ready. Momo! You ready to learn? So,
Yeah.
You won't be needing much. We have glue from the dollar store, $1. Paint, so that's $2. Paint brushes, $3. The construction paper comes in a pack. That's going to be $4. $6. Googly eyes are $7. Construction paper $8, and the stick tongues $9. So this is under $10 to be able to play with your kid and learn. Like, you can't get any better than that. We are making a green monster today. This is day uno. Let's get straight into it. First, draw monster.
My dad.
You can make it any kind of shape. My monster's probably going to be more on the heavy side. Mine kind of looks like a tooth. This is my monster. Show them your monster.
Mine.
This your monster?
Mine.
Okay. For safety purposes, we're going to be cutting the monsters. Ready to get your monster's body?
Yeah.
2. Cute. All right, Aiden, here goes your monster. Okay. So next, we're gonna do circles. I'm gonna draw 2 circles. 1, 2. Where's your monster? Say 1 white circle. Believe it or not, this actually teaches them their colors. So now we have to draw the mouth. So next, go get the crayons. You want a green crayon or you want a black? You guys heard the boss. Black. Mommy has green. You gotta draw your mouth. Yeah. My teeth, guys. Yeah. All right, here's Ainan's teeth, guys. Now, you gotta get the color red for the tongue body part. You're gonna need some hair. Paint. All right, so we're gonna use the paintbrush to color out the arm in the line. Okay, you're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Good, good. In the fingers, in the fingers. Green. Good, good job. All right, let's show them. Let's see how 30 days go with him continuing to keep coloring, so that we assess how good he's getting. But for the first day, I think he did pretty well. He got the concept that it's two different things to color, and he tried to stay as much in the line as possible, but you could definitely tell there's two different things in there. Good job, baby. Give me 5. Thank you. Get our hair.
Hi, Kiki.
Undo this. Ainan's hair for his monster. Now, Ainan, we gotta glue our eyeballs. You want more eyeballs?
Yeah.
Okay.
More eyeball.
Ainan have a lot of eyeballs. This really helps with their motor skills as well, so that they can really kind of pinpoint where something is and try to place it on that specific spot. Mommy's eyeball monster. Ainan's eyeball monster.
Mama.
Wow.
Oh, Mama.
Okay. So now we got to put the mouth.
Hello.
Hello. Let's put the mouth. All right. Okay. Okay. Ready? Let's go grab our mouths.
My mouth.
My mouth.
My mouth.
Make sure you don't have his mouth backwards.
Huh?
Red eyebrows.
Eyebrow.
Go. Okay. You're getting glitter happy. All right, that was good. Okay, we're going to get our sticks. My monster up, and I'm gonna put it right there. Stick. Oh, get a stick. All right, good job.
Well. What?
Eyes,
Eye.
nose,
No.
mouth,
Mouth. No.
corner. Right, our monsters are finished. All right, let's sit down.
Huh?
You coming? Wait, you gotta sit down. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay, so today we're gonna be learning green still.
We do that.
We are going to use some construction paper today. Again, this is gonna be about $1. We try to keep every activity that we're doing for this 30-day challenge under $10.
Green.
Now we're gonna build something together today. Today we're gonna make a green tree.
Green.
All right, we're gonna make the tree together.
All right, guys, it's time to make the bark.
All right, do this. Do another little bark tree. What is that? That's the tree.
A tree.
Get our handy dandy paintbrushes. Yep. And we're gonna just dab it like this. Dab. No, dab. Just literally dabbing on the paper. Dabbing on the paper like this. So. And that's how we're gonna make like little impressions of leaves. Your tree should look 2 trees. This is Mommy's tree and Ainan's tree. And this is green.
Now we rip it.
Encourage them to cut some pieces off of the green paper. So let's cut some green leaves. Go ahead, put them down. So you're just gonna wanna dab glue like so. Nothing too crazy. Aiden, now you gotta put your little white dots everywhere. And then you rip it and you put it on there. Good job. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is our tree, guys.
Tree guy.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, 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 hey. Say, hey. Green tree. Green tree. Hey, hey. Get it, ain't it? Get it, ain't it? Hey, get it, ain't it? Get it, ain't it? Hey, get it, ain't it? Get it, ain't it? Hey, get it. So, I want to see if we're getting any progress.
Blue.
Blue. Let's see if I can trick them. Which one's green?
Green.
Take green.
Green.
Good job. What's this?
Blue.
Blue. Yay! Day 2 was our green tree. Give this a thumbs up. If you like what you watch, you want them to give 2 thumbs up. If you guys make some green trees the way that we made green trees and you put a little tweak in it, let us know in the description below. Always DM us on Welcome to House Gillyard on all platforms. And all of Aiden's friends, which are your kiddos, let them know that Aiden says hi.
Hi. Bye.
Can you move? I'm trying to close out.
Bye.
That wraps it up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this with your little ones. I know that Aiden definitely did. We're going to be doing 1 challenge a day for 30 days. So that's going to be its own playlist, its own little seminar thingy. And I hope that you guys enjoy. This is good for a lot of different ages. I think it's like from like 2 to 6 or 7. I'm pretty sure like 6. 7-year-olds start getting a little bit, I'm too cool for school. Please like, share, subscribe. I hope that you guys like it. If you guys make little green monsters with your kids, please show us. You want to see their green monsters?
Okay. A month.
Okay, so thank you guys so much. We love you.
Bye. Here. Here. I. No. I got it.
Are you done? Yes, if you guys join me in this 30-day challenge, that would be amazing. Please show your finished products with your kids. DM us on Instagram or Facebook. Welcome to House Gillyard. Thank you. Yeah. You. You. Yeah. Have you liked, shared, subscribed? What are you waiting for?
Oh, okay.
Now, and hit that post notification. You don't want to miss out.
I did it.
Thank you so much. I love you guys.
You're so amazing.